Hey everyone, hope you had a great year, because I know I did. We had excellent events like Tour, Beach Day, and the Amazing Race, and it was definitely one of the most memorable years I've had at the choir school. Let's look at our year in review.
What was your favorite day of the school year?
Beach day. Basically every day.
The day on tour when I was watching Elmo.
Beach day?
Beach day.
Last day of school.
The second day of tour.
What was your favorite day of this school year?
I think right now, PA days.
Beach day.
Probably beach day.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I've just finished marking the last set of exams ever, and it's something that I won't look forward to missing. It's been an incredible 20-year ride, and I'll miss a lot of you here. But one of the things that I want to point out about this office, if anybody is going to be occupying this office in the next little while, please ensure to turn the heat on in the winter every day. It heats up the pigeons which live in the bricks here beneath the windowsill. So just goes to show you how far our building has deteriorated. The other important point that I would make is if you're ever crossing at Bond and Dundas Street, please push the button when you're crossing the street. One of our teachers learned the hard way that that can be quite dangerous. Okay, so once again, goodbye for now. I'll say so long, not goodbye. I hope to see many of you again. I won't miss this building, but I will miss everyone in it. Bye.
Good day, everyone. Time for a quick reflection and some thanks. I remember moving to Toronto in 1989 and starting out in what I thought was going to be a social work direction. And within several months of that, in September of 1989, I moved into education through a number of different employers and different milieus, and I moved my way ultimately into the board and then on to St. Michael's Choir School in 1999. So it's been a 30-year run, and it's been a great run, and I really owe a lot of thanks to many people, certainly to my colleagues, as well as the staff in the office. They have been wonderful, as well as to the support staff in the school and the administration, to the students, to the parents, to everyone for making this ride an absolutely wonderful 30-year ride. I thank you all and wish you the very best in the future. God bless you all.
On behalf of the entire school community, I'd especially like to thank Mr. Woodger and Mr. Mora for their many blessings that they've given to the school. Unfortunately, not the 14 piano key handspan or Mr. Mora's humor, but they've certainly left their mark. And now a message from the administration.
Good afternoon, students, staff. Last year, I took such a long time with this message that I was almost embarrassed by looking at it when it was presented at the closing ceremony. So all I can say this year is thank you. Thank you for a wonderful year. It was a success in many ways, and without your support from staff and students, nothing in this school is possible. Also, just a special thanks to all our parents who always involve themselves. We are blessed to be part of such a great community. Have a wonderful summer, and see you all in September.
Congratulations, everyone, for a fantastic 2019. From a choral perspective, all of you did outstanding work. I was so very proud of everything that you did in the cathedral, in our community, on tour. Absolutely outstanding. Thank you to our fantastic choral staff, to our academic staff, to all our support staff. I couldn't imagine a more supportive community to be a part of. And a very special thank you to our graduates as they endeavor for the next part of their careers, the next part of their lives. Remember, you will always be St. Michael's Choir boys. Please come back. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you all. Enjoy your summer.
Unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.